So in this video, I'm gonna take you with me to the dollar store and we're gonna shop for makeup and put together this look. So stay tuned for some budget-friendly beauty hacks.
Which one should I
Either
get?
get this one or this one. Actually, no, that's
I'm gonna get this one.
teeth.
Finger me. Okay. Ooh, this box.
Hi, sisters.
Oh my God, look. They have Milani. I cannot believe my eyes. Oh, look. Abracadabra.
Oh my God.
It's green. Okay, so they don't have my shade. It's like way too dark. They have BB creams that are my shade, but like, what should I do? Okay, fuck her. Oh my God, yummy. You don't like these?
They're okay.
So the first product I got is this primer by She. It's fucking green. Okay, it kind of smells like gasoline and baby powder. The primer's on and it's like really sticky. So this is a coupon from McDonald's. This is an eyeliner pencil. So we're not really off to a cute start with this primer. The next thing I got from the dollar store is this foundation. Surprisingly, this is the only shade they had that would work for me. Because literally they had a bunch of mixers and like a bunch of like gray shit. So I'm like disappointed. Oh fuck, I got the wrong color. Okay, so first impressions, it's orange. Ugh. This really smells bad. Y'all, I literally look like Orange Tina dipped in butter. Okay, hopefully the concealer will make this better. This is by She again. This is like fucking light as fuck.
Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. More.
So the next thing we have to try out, and hopefully this will fix everything, is this loose setting powder I got. It's by this brand called Just Color. I didn't notice this in the store, but it literally says this is green. Oops, it's so green, oh my god. I'm gonna set my face with this green ass powder right now, so hopefully it does a good job. Okay, so this powder kind of fixed the orangeness, thank god. So the bronzer I managed to find at the... Okay, so the bronzer slash contour I managed to find at the Zula store looks something like this. It's an Muse Cosmetics matte bronzer in the shade... Okay, so there's no shade, but it looks like this. Okay, so I'm so sorry, but I didn't pick up a product for my brows there because they didn't have shades. They only had like weird colors like blonde and red in like the brow pomades. So I'm just gonna use my e.l.f. brow pomade and fill in my brows off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just did my brows and I kind of hate the way I did them. At the dollar store, the choices of eyeshadow were very limited because it's the fucking dollar store. I did manage to find this cute palette by Muse. Let me zoom y'all in. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this kind of like orange one. And I'm going to be using the skinny brush I always use. And I'm going to be taking that orange and using it in my crease. Okay, so that shade was actually really good. Like, I'm not going to fucking lie. Like, I was expecting chalkiness, but that went on really good. So now I think I'm going to blend it out using this like taupey shade in the corner. Using this kind of like thick blending brush.
Hi, sisters. Hi, sisters.
I'm like pleasantly surprised. Now to test out one of the shimmers in the palette, I'm gonna go into this gold one right here on this flat paddle brush, and I'm just gonna put this across my eyelid. So far this palette is like really good. So next I'm gonna go into this this like white shimmery shade, and I'm gonna be using this kind of like pointy brush. Then I'm just gonna pop this beach in my inner corner. So now for my Boots Home lash line. I'm going to be going in with the orange again. And I'm going to be using this really thin like pencil brush and just draw that shit across your lower lash line. Now I'm going to go into the taupe shade with the skinny brush again. And then I'm going to use this to blend out the bottom lash line. This performed a lot better than, dare I say, even some high-end eyeshadows I've tried. This performed better than the Subculture. To be freaking honest. I don't know what to tell you to find it, but like if you see an eyeshadow palette that looks like this, get it. You won't be disappointed. So even though we're done with the eyeshadow palette, we're not done on the eyes. I have one more little, I don't know. I have this really interesting product. This is by the brand She again, but this is like jelly shimmer for face and body, whatever that means. This one's in the shade Bright Beige, and it's kind of like a weird like jelly inside. I've never touched this one before. Okay, it kind of feels like a titty. So I'm just gonna put this on my lid and my inner corner and see what happens. Okay, so ignore my ugly ass skin, but like girl, look at how fucking pretty that is. Now I know not everyone like loves glitter, but girl, I want to look like a fairy tale princess crying glitter tears because her boyfriend stuck his dick in too hard. I don't know. So now that the eyes are done, we have to do mascara, and they had so many mascaras. Like they probably had like more than 20. I just got the prettiest one. It looks like this. It kind of looks like a disco ball dildo. So this is by the brand Amuse. This just says waterproof lengthening mascara. Ooh. Okay. This smells so good. This smells like Pantene shampoo or something. Okay, so the mascara is done. And honestly, I don't really mind this one at all. So I couldn't find any lashes at the dollar store. They did have lash glue though, which is kind of weird. Anyways, I'm gonna be using the same lashes I always use from AliExpress. I literally just bought this and I already broke it. Okay, so now that the eyes are officially done, I'm gonna move on to the blush, and I found this big ass blush palette. Okay, so I think the color I'm gonna use is this like mauve-y one right up here in the corner. Okay, so I have a really interesting highlighter from the dollar store. It's by the brand Clean Color. This is a baked and a duochrome highlighter. Okay, so I hope this is really good because... Okay, so this highlighter gets a triple XL thumbs up. Okay, the last step is lips. And I kind of went a little overboard, and I bought six lip products. Girl, I keep thinking my lashes are fucked up. The first two I'm gonna show you are by the brand She again. These are the Liquid Velvets by She. I have the shade Dark Brown and Nutmeg. And then, okay, this caught my eye. I wasn't gonna buy it at first, but I changed my mind. When you open it, they had fake Kylie there. Also, each one of these was $1, but I tricked the girl at the register and I was like, it's the whole box that's $1. You thought, bitch, you thought. I'm either gonna go in with She Liquid Velvet and Nutmeg or the orange fake Kylie. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the She Liquid Velvet in the shade Nutmeg. But I thought I was gonna hate this because it was only $1, but I actually really like it. Okay, so we done. I was not expecting some of the products to be that bomb, but honestly, some of them are like really good. My favorites were honestly the lipstick, the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, and the like titty glitter gel, whatever the fuck. Honestly though, some of the products were absolute shit. Like, girl, this made me orange, and this is literally like glue on your face. So these guys, trash. I really love the eyes and the lips, but I would not want to show up to daddy's house looking this orange. It's not Oompa Loompa orange. It's just like orange. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if I don't see you until Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Good luck, Charlie.